Running a freelance business with 0 employees might sound impossible, but it's actually easier than you think. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run a successful freelance business without needing to hire anyone. No employees required. Let's start with the first thing you need: automation. The key to running a solo freelance business is using automation tools. Whether it's invoicing, booking appointments, or following up with clients, automation helps you stay organized and keeps your business running smoothly without additional help. I've tested a lot of popular software out there, and the one I recommend in the description below comes with a special free trial just for you. Next, you need to set up efficient systems for communication. Email management and client communication can take up a huge portion of your day, so having the right tools to manage that is essential. This is where using an all-in-one communication platform comes into play. You can handle emails, scheduling, and even client messages all from one place, saving you time and effort. Again, the software I'll recommend in the description does this seamlessly. Don't forget about client management. Even if you're the only one in your business, it's crucial to keep track of your clients and their needs. Instead of hiring a team to help with this, use a CRM system that automates the organization of your leads, current clients, and project timelines. The right CRM will also automate follow-ups and keep your clients happy without requiring any extra effort on your part. Now let's talk about invoicing. You don't need an accountant to manage payments for your freelance business. There's plenty of software out there that can handle everything from sending invoices to tracking payments. And with built-in reminders, you won't have to chase down late payments, saving you time and frustration. Another game changer is outsourcing small tasks that don't require full-time employees. You can use freelancers for specific jobs, whether it's a graphic designer, a copywriter, or a virtual assistant, without committing to a long-term employee relationship. Outsourcing will allow you to scale your business without hiring full-time employees, which keeps your overhead low. If you want to expand your reach without expanding your team, leverage social media and automation to promote your services. Scheduling posts, managing engagement, and running ads can all be automated, so you're reaching potential clients without having to spend hours on social media every day. The final key to success is managing your time wisely. Use time tracking tools to ensure you're staying on top of your tasks and meeting deadlines. When you're working for yourself, time is your most valuable resource, so make sure you're using it effectively. To recap, running a freelance business with 0 employees is completely possible. Start with automation for key tasks, use an all-in-one communication platform, manage clients with a CRM, handle invoicing with software, outsource where necessary, and leverage social media and time management tools. Key takeaway: the secret to managing a successful freelance business solo is making smart use of the right tools. With the proper software and automation, you can grow your business without adding employees. Before I close, I want to remind you to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below for the software I recommend, which can help you manage your business more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you run a successful freelance business with 0 employees.